Analog devices LTC4372 and LTC4373 low quiescent current ideal diode controllers are used to drive an external N-channel MOSFET to replace the Schottky diode used in applications such as automotive battery protection, redundant power supply ORing, and renewable energy applications. In these applications, Schottky diodes are commonly used as blocking diodes. The forward voltage drop across the diode can cause issues in low voltage applications with very little headroom. The forward voltage drop also results in significant power dissipation as current increases, which requires larger heat sinks that increase the design size and weight. By replacing the Schottky diode with an N-channel MOSFET and using the LTC4372 or LTC4373 to drive it like an ideal diode, designers can reduce the forward voltage drop and power dissipation, resulting in a design that is smaller, lighter, and more efficient. In addition, the controllers draw 5 microamps of current in operation and 0.5 microamps in shutdown, providing increased efficiency in intermittent loads or always-on standby channels. The controllers operate from a 2.5 to 80 volt supply. The external MOSFET source is connected to the in and source pins on the controller, while the drain is connected to the controller's out pin. The controllers then drive the MOSFET gate to regulate the voltage drop across the MOSFET to less than 30 millivolts. They can also drive back-to-back MOSFETs to provide load switching and inrush control. Reverse current monitoring turns the MOSFET off in 500 nanoseconds to protect the bus, and reverse polarity protection prevents damage to the load. The controllers are available in 8-lead MSOP or 3mm by 3mm DFN packages. The difference between the two is that the LTC4372 offers a shutdown pin and a 2 microamp pull-up output, while the LTC4373 replaces this with an undervoltage lockout function. For more information on the LTC4372 and LTC4373 low quiescent current ideal diode controllers and the benefits they provide when replacing Schottky diodes, visit Mouser.com.